you all laughed when he said he got mad when he looked at his son and made that comment that we're not doing enough to combat climate change during the evil, dark Trump administration days of hell and bad mood. Look at that. A newly paved road for the aristocrats of Mystic Island. I guess climate change wasn't a sexy enough topic to get your attention after all those years, and a combination of other things. The bipolar pattern of way too many hiccups tearing apart the ozone layer from the star-nosed Mad Orlando creature, the Matty-O creature. Nothing but an old-fashioned big suck shirt to go with a side of climate change. Okay, that's enough goofing around. Way too many Kelly Clarkson songs for another year. Christmas 2022.